Very good morning, students. Here is L.K. Tripathi, your SST teacher from LPM Public School. Dear children, as you know very well, your SST periodic assessment second examination will be taking place tomorrow, on 19th of this month. So, you have to give appropriate answer in good writing under the supervision of your parents. You must request your parent to sit with you if possible when you are going to solve the question paper. That must be solved honestly without taking help of other sources. Whatever you have prepared by your own, you have to write the same in your answer sheet. Some rules you must follow as you have been giving the examination for a long time in previous classes at the same pattern. You have to solve the question paper to give the answer. In the sheet, read the question paper carefully. Also, think about the correct answer for the question. Then you give the answer. Use only two colors pen, that is black and blue. No other color should be used while giving the answer. Need not to write the question in very short, long, except that never forget or never miss to write the whole statement in exercise type of question. Exercise type of question means true, false, match, one word answer, multiple choice question, fill in the blanks. In such types of question, you must write the whole statement of the question so that you and your teacher can understand easily the fact of the question. So it must be there in your mind. Not to forget, write the whole statement of the question in exercise type of question. Rest of the questions are there, need not to write the question, only write the answer. And answer should be written in full letters ANSWER. After that, number 1, number 2. In this way, write so that teacher could understand easily the question which you have written, the answer which you have written in the copy of the same question. So in this way you have to go through. First question is there from your section A geography. That is of 20 marks. True, false. The biotic environment consists of the biosphere only. Is it true or false? You have to write beside the question. The key components of the Earth's crust are iron, silicon and nickel. Is it true or false? You have to give the appropriate answer. The Earth's layer, that is also referred to as knife, is actually the other name for mantle. Number 4, bauxite is an ore of aluminium and Hematite is an ore of iron. Number 5. The three kinds of volcanoes are Pangea, lava and magna. Question number 2. Brief question, that is, you have to answer in brief way. That is also known very short question. On what basis the heat zones divided? How many heat zones are there? The answer should be given by you clearly. Why are the two poles colder than the equator? How is water distributed on earth? How groundwater does get collected? Who is the President of India? These are the questions. You have to give the answer. Number 3. On an outline map of India, show Jammu and Kashmir, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Kashmir. You will be provided the map of India, that is political map, and show the mentioned states exactly in your answer sheet. In your map. It should not be wrong. Question number 4. Answer in details. 2 questions are there. Only one answer you have to give. How are the hot deserts different from the cold desert? Or what has been the effect of human activities on the tropical deciduous forest of the world? These are the questions. Only one answer you have to give there. Section B, that is history. First is there, fill in the blanks. Fill correctly. It should not be wrong. Indian history is generally divided into dash parts based on changes in social, political and economic organization. This is your question. You have to give exact answer in the blanks. The Rajputs in North and Central India claimed their descent from dash family or the dash family. Number 3, the dash and dash were the two capitals of the Chandelas. 4, the word Mamluk in dash means slave. Number 5, Sikandar Lodi was the founder of the city of dash. 5 questions are there. It has 5 marks. Number 7, that is short type question. What are the capital tours? Give example. Number 2, this is capital tours, not capital tours, that is capital towns. Do it correct. Give example. That is capital towns. Keep in mind. What step did Akbar take in order to keep peaceful relation with the Rajput? Number 3, what kind of relationship did Mughal have with Ahoms? Number 4, what were the principal teaching of Adi Shankaracharya? What did the Nathpanthis challenge and why? Question number 8, answer in detail. You have to answer anyone. Sketch out the role played by different female Bhakti saints during the period under our study. Number 2. Who was Queen Durgavati? What was her role in defending her territories? कोई एक इसमें से आप आंसर देंगे. That will be enough for you. Match now column A, column B. Magna Carta, Aung San Suu Kyi, Indirect Democracy, France, Athens. Column A, B, C, D, E. 3 state, India, England, oldest democracy, Myanmar. Match it properly. Now, question number 11, answer in brief, short type questions. Define universal adult franchise. What is the role played by the opposition in a democracy or a democratic country? Give some example of print media. What do you understand by the electronic media? List the various objectives of advertisement. These are your short type question. Give the answer clearly. Now next, that is answer in detail. Any one you have to give. What are the steps taken by the government to promote education of girl child? Number 2, gender inequality is the manifestations of the other social inequalities that exist in the society. What does it mean? You have to give the correct answer of all the questions. After that, being satisfied, you have to close your copy or answer sheet and submit it to the school at right date. Thank you very much. All the best.